normally we see cases of all skin, hair and nail, and also sexually transmitted diseases, and also we do cosmetic treatments in our setup, all the types of cosmetic treatments. And normally we do the camps like free camps for the women's welfare associations and different areas to give health awareness to the different people. And now today we have conducted on the eve of Women's Day on 8th March to a Shaheen group which is located in Old City. So those people, they have come here. And
how many members are came in your camp?
Normally 35 to 40 members.
Okay.
35 to 40 members we have conducted.
All are free of cost?
Free of cost. Because we want to give health awareness in every part of the Hyderabad. So after we complete the Hyderabad, we want to go to other places in all over the place of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and we want to extend our support to all over India also.
All over India.
All over India also.
Okay.
So we are going to participate in so many welfare associations and NGO organizations. We want to do that, and we just started doing all this just to give a health awareness regarding any skin problem or hair problem, whatever they have. Sometimes because of the chronic skin problems, normally people are afraid to see a doctor. They normally go to a Ayurvedic specialist or a homeopathic specialist because psoriasis is a condition like people think that there is no medicine for cure in allopathic medication. So for that conditions, we want to give an awareness program for all types of allergies, psoriasis and white patches. Even the vitiligo is a social stigma nowadays. People normally they don't bother to show to the doctor because they are very afraid, and they're also shameful that we got this is a sin actually. For that reason, we want to give an awareness that is not a disease at all. We can consult freely a doctor and take the opinion. If it is the treatment is required, they have to take. For every disease, there is a treatment. Now so much of research is going on in allergic conditions as well as in psoriasis conditions and this white patches vitiligo conditions also. We are also doing all the utmost advanced treatments in our setup. So we want to give whatever treatment we want to give to the people, that has to be reached to the people. So that much awareness we want to give first, and who are affordable, we'll give that type of treatment. Who are not affordable, we'll give the discount basis, or we give free of treatment sometimes in our camps also. And the sexually transmitted diseases also. Normally people are afraid to ask about the sexually transmitted diseases. Even AIDS, HIV, they're more afraid to ask. That much of awareness also we want to give. This is nothing, sexually transmitted diseases, how to care and how to prevent them, how to take precautions not to get those diseases. And we want to give that awareness, and we want to give simultaneously treatment also. And another thing is, nowadays everybody is concerned about the beauty. So that type of treatments, if they are affordable and the people are wanting, mostly the fairness, any type of treatments on the face or any hair growth treatment, unwanted hair growth treatment, all cosmetic treatments, we have all the setup in our hospital. So we want to give, if they are affordable, if they want to ask anything, we want to give the treatment for that.